Hello guys, good morning, good vibes, and today I will teach you a very simple way to cook menudo without tomato sauce. So I have here some of the ingredients in my kitchen. Um, Kasi dito sa Canada, you have to be resourceful. Kasi expensive nga yung food. Kasi mostly by import. So these are simple ingredients to prepare. No? Ang pagluluto ay hindi mo naman kailangan maging super experto. Just know the basic on how to cook, and um, for me it's not a skill. It can be learned by anyone on proper way to cook, especially home cooking style. Okay. So guys, I have here pork belly. So ito pong pork belly ay nilaga ko na po ito kasi I removed some of the extra fats of the pork belly, and then I have here bell pepper, I have these bay leaves, and then I have this lime, since wala tayo ditong calamansi in Canada, so I'm using lime, or you can use either lemon. I have here uh, potato, sliced carrots, I have garlic, I have sliced onions, I have this pepper, ground pepper, and then I have this ground garlic also. And then we're using simple way of this soy sauce, and I have nor. Okay, so let's mix together. Dahil hindi tayo gagamit ng tomato sauce, so we're using a sliced fresh tomato. So it's very healthy. Walang masyadong walang chemical, of course. I will show you the sliced tomato. So I have here the sliced tomato that we can use for cooking menudo. So next guys, squeeze the lime sa pork belly natin. So squeeze it. Okay, that's it. And then put a little nor something. This is liquid seasoning. Okay, so just estimate. So in cooking, everything is estimate. Okay, so that's it. And then put a little soy sauce. Okay, a little, just estimate the soy sauce. So anyway, you can adjust later the taste while you're cooking it. So yan, i-mix natin. Mix together. Okay, just mix it. Mix. So until everything ma-covered siya noong liquid seasoning, the lime, and the soy sauce. Okay, so simmer it for 3 to 5 minutes. That's how simple. Then I will turn on my stove. Okay, then I'll put my pan, so like that, and then I'll put cooking oil. So just estimate the cooking oil. I think that's it. So not too much oil. Okay, so just estimate, depends on you. Okay, so hot na yung pan natin, yung lutuan natin. So we just add, in cooking, I'll mix together the garlic, the onions, so I don't separate it. So that's how I cook to save time. So we need to cook it to make it light brown. So once we see that it's already light brown, the more spices, the more onions, the more garlic, it's really tasteful or masarap. Okay, so that's it. And then mix natin yung garlic and onions. Oh, nice smell. Garlic pa lang. And onions. Okay, it's getting light brown. I'm using a medium heat here. You see medium? So nagla-light brown na siya. So what's next? Add the tomato. Okay, mix. That's how simple the cooking. Then kabayan, or guys, I will put pepper. Okay. So hinahalo ko na po yung pepper habang ginigisa ko yung kamatis, sibuyas, and bawang or garlic. And then I have here, aside from that, I have here garlic powder, a little of garlic powder. Okay. Okay. So mix again. So bakit po natin hinalo na yung durog na paminta or pepper? Para maglasan po yung food natin. So we want to simmer the pepper here and the garlic powder. Okay. Then I have bay leaves. I'll add the bay leaves. Okay. Mix again. And I have now this pork. So I simmer it for 5 minutes. So let's add this. It's already half cooked. As I told you a while ago, niremove ko muna yung extra fats niya. Then add here. Okay. Oh, nice smell. Then mix again. Mix. Okay. Let's increase the heat to a little 6. Okay. Then mix again. Nice smell, kabayan. And then I have 1 cup of water. So I'll put this here. Okay. Para lumambot yung pork natin. So mix it. Okay. Let it boil for a while. So pakuluan muna natin to. Maybe about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. After 10 minutes, let's check our cooking, kabayan, if okay na siya. So medyo nag-subside na yung water niya. So let's mix again. Okay. So and try to press one of the meats. Okay. So medyo malambot na po siya. So maybe after 5 minutes, we will add the carrots and potato. Okay. So kabayan, after 5 minutes, medyo nagbawas na po yung sabaw niya. So and then let's try if the pork is already malambot or pwede na siya. Yeah, it's okay now. So we can add all together the carrots and potato. Okay. So mix together. So since paubos na yung kanyang sabaw, so let's add a little, maybe half cup of water. Okay. So I have here half cup of water. I'll put it. Okay. para hindi ma-dry yung menudo natin. Oh, sarap nito, kabayan. Okay, let it boil again and we will adjust later the taste. If kulang siya ng soy sauce, let's add a little of that. Okay, but for now, let this menudo boil first kasi nilagyan natin ng half cup of water. Ayan guys, nag-boil na siya. After i-add natin yung half cup of water, the potato and carrots. So, what's next? Kailangan tikman natin. So, kung masarap, kung tama na yung alat niya, depende sa taste mo. So, let's taste. Always use serving spoon, okay? Masarap na siya, kabayan. But, I need a little soy sauce. Kasi nilagyan natin siya ng half water. So, medyo bumaba yung kanyang taste. So, soy sauce will do. That's it. Okay? So, I have here 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. I-add natin siya. Okay. Then, mix. Mix again. Ganun lang po ang pagluluto. Mix, mix. Okay? Bango. Bango nito. At masarap. So, later, pag medyo luto na yung carrots and potato, we will add finally, the bell pepper. Okay? So, guys, medyo luto na yung carrots and potato natin. Let's add, finally, the bell pepper. Okay? Okay, slice bell pepper. Then mix again, mix. Okay. So wait na lang natin na simmer konti yung sabaw niya. So then it's ready to serve. Okay. Nice. Oh, it's already cooked, kabayan. And then I have one final touch. So we will add a little of vinegar. So very little. So it will preserve your food for a while. So just a little vinegar. So I'm using here white vinegar. Pwede naman po kayong gumamit kahit anong vinegar. So just to make a little tasteful. So that will preserve more time your food if you will eat this for 1 or 2 days. Okay. Bango na. Then let's taste it. Let's taste it, guys. Tikman natin kung masarap. Okay. So I got the sauce. Sarap. Tama lang yung alat. So, not too salty. It's, lumapot na yung kanyang sabaw. Already thickened. Then, let's just wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Let's see if malambot na yung kanyang patatas. Oh, and then carrots already. So maybe 2 to 3 minutes, it's done. If napansin nyo guys, wala kaming pork liver kasi yung iba hinaluan yung menudo ng pork liver. So hindi namin gustong may pork liver yung menudo. So hinahalo ko lang siya when I cook the version of igado. So but in menudo we don't use pork liver. Okay? After 2 to 3 minutes, it's done, kabayan. Let's see. Oh, guys. So tasteful. It's also healthy kasi meron siyang carrots, meron siyang bell pepper, potato, and some other mix. And then I removed the extra fats before. So let's turn off our stove. Okay. I have a very nice stove here. Okay. So, see. very delicious. Okay, and now I have here, so I will taste it. Okay, that's it. Tikman natin kung masarap yung luto natin. Nice. Tama lang yung alat. So delicious. This menudo style without tomato sauce is really great. So subukan nyo kabayan. Sometimes we need to eat pork. It's common in Canada to have pork here. And of course, please like my channel. Kusinang Simple, Lutong Simple, mas happy and affordable, okay? Thank you for watching and have a nice day and good vibes to everyone.